Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Burleson, and I'm here to help you have more energy, gain self-confidence, feel great at the beach this summer on vacation, be happy to take family photos. No more hiding from those family photos anymore. I want to share with you just a few testimonies of some of my wonderful clients that I've helped. The first one is Anne. She says, my health journey began with a desire to keep up with my brother's growing family of girls. And my friend Mary introduced me to a simple system. We focused on healing my gut and eating foods that fuel my body. Months later, I'm able to say that the emotional struggles of 2023 were lessened because my body was able to move. My gut is better. I know how to fuel my body with the foods that are best for me. Take a look at her picture. Cute as a button. She is a real estate agent here in Sarasota, Florida. My friend Alicia, what a sweet story, she says. Have you ever woken up after sleeping 8 to 10 hours and you were still tired? Have you struggled with no self-confidence to take pictures with your own kids because of the way you looked and how bad your skin was? That's sad, isn't it? This was me, she says, until I decided I had had enough. Now almost 30 pounds lighter, my health is a priority, and I have the energy to keep up with my kids. Hey, there's nothing more important, I think, than having the energy to spend time with your children. There's nothing more important, well, there's a lot of things more important, but it's important to feel confident when you take family photos. My friend Christy says, I was so addicted to sugar and Diet Coke, and you know, sugar is so addicting. Can you relate? I was puffy, my knees hurt, I craved a daily 20-minute power nap, my jeans were way too tight. I got very creative in hiding in photos with my family. Here's another one. Embarrassed to take photos with her own family. Aww. I lost 25 pounds in about 4 months. What did I gain? I gained energy, quality time, a healthy gut, smaller jeans, plus confidence. Are you hearing a trend here? I am. And the trend is self-confidence, more energy, healthy gut, feeling great, smaller jeans. So many things that keep us from looking and feeling our best. And this is how we can help. So how did they do it? They used the protein shake. They did a protein shake for breakfast. Some of them did a protein shake for lunch. Some of them maybe had just a healthy lunch. We have a great guide with lots of recipes so that step by step. A green synergy elixir, so what is that? That's 3 products in one. So here's gut health, greens, and some hyaluronic acid. It's really cool because it's a little packet, a little powder packet. You mix it in water and drink it up. So healthy for you. And then our Energy Fizz. My favorite is the blackberry. What I love about this is that it's anti-inflammatory, as well as it gives you energy and helps to level out your blood sugar because it has chromium in it, which is great for blood sugar. Love, love, love this. Love it, love it, love it. And then ended the day with some Clean Detox tea. Why I love this is that it supports the liver and the kidneys, and there's nothing more important than supporting your eliminating organs so that they function like they're supposed to. So that is just a tidbit of our program our simple system to help with weight management, more energy, and gut health. So here's the thing. If you are interested in knowing more, no obligation, no have-tos, just want more information, then click the link below. Message me. Actually, find me on Facebook. Click the link below where there is a Facebook link. That would be the best way. Find me on Facebook, message me, and I'll send you more information. In the meantime, walk in the beauty that you are, no matter what. Know that you're valued, and there is treasure in having some confidence in who you are. Bye-bye.